Hello guys, good morning, bom dia. Mais um dia de luta, vamos jogar e ganhar. Okay, let's start. Vamos começar. Estrelas de sorte. Estrelas guys means stars. Sorte means luck. Okay, so I bought 4. Compré 4 raspadinha. Os números 5, 6, 7. No, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 4, 5, 6, and 7, guys. Okay? How to win on this ticket? I have to complete the numbers. Okay? To win. There are prizes on the side. Today, I am not in the dancing table. I got a lot of complaint. Okay? I hope this is a good position because in my life nothing works. Hopefully today works. Maybe it's too bright also. It's another problem. Okay. 64, 36. 64, 36. No, 54. Oh, meu Deus, Jessica. You need glasses. 54. No? Or maybe I turn off the light. It's too bright, I think. Okay. Veintinueve, 33. 29, 33. No, 29. Open the curtain, guys. Sorry for too much confusion in this session. Okay. 29, 33, 14, 20. Today, guys, I was at the lottery store. 35, 48. This I want to share a little conversation with the woman at the lottery store. She asked me, I talked to her in Portuguese when I bought this ticket. No, 48, no, 35. But she realized that my accent is not Portuguese, and of course I don't look like Portuguese. So she asked me where am I from. So I told her I'm from the Philippines. And then dois tres, ano. And then there's no no. And she asked me, what are you doing in Portugal? I said, I am married to Portuguese. And I don't know if I have to share this. And then, maybe this is not a winner because 2 different letters. This is set. 42. 42. No, this is it. And then, she asked me if my husband is the same color like her. I said, what do you mean? Oh, no, not the same color. Is your husband is like me? I asked her, what do you mean like me? Like you? The same color like me. You mean the same color? I think yes. I think he's white, but he's not as white as British or Germans. But I think he is white because he was blonde when he was a baby. It's a funny conversation, guys. 52, 49. And then 53, 18. So this is not a winner. Okay. Okay. And then she asked me what's my husband's job. I said he's a journalist. Oh wow! So you must have a good salary. I said I don't know. I have the bonus. For sure I don't win. I said I don't know. I am married to my husband for 8 years, but I don't know how much he earns. Why you want to know? I was joking because she knows me. I know her. She knows me physically, but she doesn't know me personally, you know, because that store is near to my daughter's school. Okay, so she's a little bit nosy, guys. 18, 13. Okay, so a little bit nosy. 8, 47. Why ask me what my husband's skin color? I said he's Portuguese, but there is a skin color for Portuguese. For example, my daughter is Portuguese, but she's half Asian, so she doesn't look like Portuguese, but she's Portuguese. Ay, Jesus, that woman. 8, 47. I mean, my daughter is half Asian. She doesn't look like really Portuguese looking, you know. But she has a Portuguese father, so she's Portuguese. But why she asked me what's my husband's skin color? I already told her my husband is Portuguese. Ay, that woman. Okay, it took I talk nonsense, guys, because this ticket is boring. 38, 41. 41. 38. 53. 21. 21. 53. 34. 45. 45. 34. 40, 52. 40, 52. 19, 22. 19, no, 22. Ah, no, 22 is here. Ay, chica. 32, 35. 35. 11, 48. 48. No, 11. 11. 27. No, 28, 29. 29. No, 28. But there's no 17. To win 3,000. No 36, no 19. Okay, so this is not a winner. Let's go to ticket number 6. Let's go to bonus. Lua, no? Estrella, 14, 50. 50. No, 14. Set, 48. This ticket, guys, is a little bit boring for the viewers, I think. But for me, it's not, of course. Because a lot of numbers. 21, 25. 25, 21, no, 21. But no, 25. 12, 2. 2, 34, 39. A 49. 34, 49. ¿No? 49 no. 46, 32. 32, 46, 54, 41. 54, 41. I need 38 and 4. 31. 28. 28. 31. No, 38. No. 38. I need 4 to win the jackpot. Come take it. 19, 27. 27. 19. I need 17, but no. To win the 3 mil. And I need 4 to win the jackpot. But no, of course. Okay. We have our last hope. Bonus. No. 27, 26. 26, 27, 22, 45. 22, 45. No. 4, 32. 4, 32, 31, 24. Oh Lord, maybe there's no win because 2 different letters. 31, 24. 31, 24. 31, 28, 23. 28, 23. 17, 12. 12, 52, 41. 52, 41. No? This is an offset. This is an offset. This is an off. No, 37. No. No. 43. There's no 18 to win the jackpot. No, 18. No, 53. No. 18, 53. 25. No, so all losers. All are losers. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.